welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking on this video this week. Well, you are seeing something different, and that's because I'm outside with the help of my husband. Say hello.
Oh.
All right, so I'm just inspecting the other plants that I was saying outside. Right now, these plants need some water, and they will be watered this evening. It's because Barbados is doubly hot. This morning they were lush and beautiful, but during the day the sun has really sapped the life out. This is some more starter plants. So arugula, I love arugula. I could eat it every day. Well, I almost eat it every day. And there's a lot of pots. Yeah, because we just love gardening and things like that. And then so they have a lot of plants around, and so that they do not get dry faster, you have sponge at the bottom, and that helps to retain moisture in the pots. As you can see, some more sponge across the galvanized, and that is for other plants pots. And addition to plants, things to eat, we have other types of plants. Of course, that's grass. But then there are some plants that look like grass. We have some cactus and snake plants. I don't even know what that other one is. And there's some others. A lot of things going down there. Different plants that you cannot eat, and which types of plant I do not tend to, because I love plants that you can eat. Right, my sister has finally decided to join the gardening family. So yesterday, she and my daughter plant some lettuce, some cilantro, okras, and different types of seedlings, and we are waiting to see they emerge. Then down here, this is spinach, and this is a lot of spinach because I had a big spinach. I was covering this whole table, because this is a table. This is where we start our seeds on. So the spinach was covering this table, so my mom had to clean it away, and a lot was started in here, so then she left it to keep growing baby spinach, and she's going to leave it in there. Then this next one I think she said, is going to have potatoes, because we grow potatoes and sweet potatoes. No, we are now starting English potatoes in here, but we normally plant sweet potatoes in earth in our bigger garden. And over there you can see a lot of peas, pea trees, and that is going down the house. A lot of pea trees. We don't have to buy peas. It's another seed starter, and this is the cherry tree. We had to cut it around. It was growing too wild. So at least we have this cherry tree. A lot of different fruit trees. We have a lime tree there. Then a golden apple tree there. Coconut trees. Mango trees. And a lot more. We are surrounded. So I am very pleased because the sun is really beating it down in Barbados, and a lot of our plants we are losing. Like I lost my lettuce, so we will go and look at my window plants and see how they are faring. We're here by the window, and look at my sweet marjoram or thyme. I do not know what it is, but definitely no choice. And I did not try to start again. I'm just going to let these grow because it seems that is a vine plant, so it is everything is going this way. So I'm going to leave the space for the area for them to grow and expand and claim the territory. And this, just looking at these plants, have me thinking about how the Lord wants to expand our territory in everywhere, be it spiritually, emotionally, financially, socially. The Lord wants to expand the good things in our life. So why don't we try to ask Him, what do He want us to do in our life to do His will and claim the promises of Him expanding our lives, our money, our heart, our love, our kindness, generosity, everything that is good and wonderful of Him. What do He want to expand in our life? Ask the Lord. And just looking at these plants, they want to expand. They want to bloom beautiful. So we can see the glory of the Lord. I can't beat. I can't beat. Hey, 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 look at my flowers growing, and look, some blossoms, or yeah, I think these blossoms or some buds of the flowers. Oh, I feel so proud. It's growing, and that is tree. I did not know they grow that wiry, so they're interlacing to each other. So every day I have to pull them apart. But they are growing. They are growing. I see little buds. And yes, this is a turnips. Some got big, some that were overrun with the bigger ones. Took a while to get the sun and everything, but they're growing. I forgot to tell you the last time the packet say it would take 60 to 90 days. So it's not 3 months yet, and I think it is just 2 months, or yeah, I think it's about around 2 months or getting there. And some I checked, they're growing, but it seemed they will be really small. The packet did say it would be small. Over this side, the heat killed a lot, so I planted all the turnips. So these are new ones that came up, so we will just wait on them. And a lettuce seed got in here, and that is very good because you didn't see any egg crates, and that is because my egg crates were growing so lovely. And 2 days before I record this video, I forgot to water, and the lettuce were fried. When I got home, they told me bye bye, and that was the end of my lettuce. So because with egg grits, you have to water a little more than a planter pot, because the egg crate, the moisture do not stay in it as much as a planter pot. So you have to keep watering, and they were growing so lovely. So I have to start back the lettuce again, but at least one snuck in here. So we will see how that will grow. This is a date. Don't these look lovely? And I want you to learn a new text for this week. Let's learn a text every week. This week is James 4:3. Book James chapter 4 verse 3. And tell me what you think about it in the comments. Again, I'm waiting to hear about what I can put my seeds in. Please tell me in the comments what I can put my seeds in, what I will have to get, or anything. Again, if you want to support the channel, my PayPal link is in the description as well, and my email link address is in the description as well. So thank you for watching. I hope that these little segments of my gardening through the window is inspiring to you, and I hope that you will get your hobbies starting, and you will send your pictures to me on Instagram at Rochelle's Blessings. Until we meet next week, the Lord love you. The Lord want to keep you in His arms and keep planting so we can feed the world. Bye-bye.